Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to tell you what is a landing page and why do you need one for your business. And also, if you stay tuned till the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how you can build your perfect landing page choosing from various kinds of templates and without writing a single line of code. All of this absolutely for free. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you're new to our channel, my name is Ritabande. I'm the co-founder of Vivitril Studio, and let's get started with today's topic. So what is a landing page and how it is different from normal websites that we see online? Now, a landing page is of course a type of a website, but the purpose of a landing page is quite different from that of a website. If you see a website, it is like a much more nicely designed one with lots of products and services listed on it, whereas the landing page is a much more focused version of a website which is brought down into a single web page without any navigation menu, and the primary purpose of a landing page is to make the user take a certain kind of action on that page. That action might be making a purchase of a product or a specific kind of service, or maybe submitting their details for a specific purpose in the landing page. Whereas the website is much more confusing, offering various kind of products and various kind of services, which makes the user much more confused regarding what specific action they should take on that website, bringing down the conversion rate lot more lower in terms of the website. Whereas the landing pages, once they are nicely constructed and nicely planned, can drive a greater amount of conversion in terms of lead generation or in terms of sales. Now that I have told you all the basic difference between a web page and a landing page, and you all have understood what a landing page is like in terms of a definition, let me show you with a practical example of how a landing page is different from that of a website, and how a landing page can increase your conversion rate to the next level and why it works. So now you may see on this template website that it has a lot of call to action button, which mostly diverts the user to various web pages which are offering various kinds of products or services. There is also a navigation menu where we are offering some promotions, we are offering some contact information, about our information, and all of this information which are indirectly making the user a little bit of confused of which web page they should go to and what kind of service or product they must purchase from this certain website. Now let me show you how the landing page practically is very different from that of a website. So right now in this landing page template, you will see it is a lot different from the website template that we have seen earlier, because at the first of this landing page we see the website or this landing page wants us to sign up for certain kind of a service. So at the beginning we have a sign up form. So even if the user is not convinced at the beginning of the web page to sign up for this certain service, he or she is going to scroll down and find out more and more benefits about this particular service, and no other call to action button other than signing up for this particular service once again. And he or she will again scroll down and find out various reviews of other customers who has previously taken these services, and he or she will again scroll down and find out another sign up option. Lots of call to action, lots of benefits, reviews, and all completely focused on making the user sign up for this certain kind of service. So that is how a landing page drives and focuses the user completely on taking a certain kind of action. So that is how the conversion rate of a landing page is much higher than that of a website. But here is the catch: not all businesses fits into the landing page zone. There are certain businesses for which the landing page won't just work perfectly. Let me tell you that right now. Landing pages are not going to work for those businesses which has a multiple categories and it is mostly into the offline market. For example, a restaurant business. So those kind of businesses has multiple category and mostly focus on the offline market and not on the online market. So those kind of businesses doesn't essentially needs a landing page. Landing pages are mostly suitable for service-based businesses as per my knowledge, because they can generate lot of leads and they can categorize those leads into different sections using landing pages. Having a lot of landing pages, at least more than 10, can help you understand your target audience much more clearly, even you have a separate website for your main business. Other than that, having a landing page will help you to automate all these leads that you have generated through this landing page into an automated email marketing system, which can together work into building a sales funnel. If you don't know what a sales funnel or how that works, you might read more about the sales funnel in my recent article. I'll put a link in the description box below. Make sure you read it so that you can increase your conversion rates to a much higher percentage. Now, before I move to the next step and tell you all how you can build landing pages absolutely from scratch with zero coding and design knowledge, and you can build this complete landing page absolutely for free, I have something even more exciting for all of you. That is, if you want to grow or launch your business, or you need help regarding the content creation or digital marketing, you may reach me out on Fiverr or on my business mail ID. The links are in the description box below, and me and my team will be really excited to help you all launch or grow your business to the next level. Now let's move forward and let me show you how you can build your own landing pages from scratch. Now, to build your landing page absolutely for free, all you need to do, go to the description box below, click on the link over there of Get Response. You will be redirected to a site like this. Over there, all you need to do is enter your email address and click on the button Sign Up for Free. After that, you will be getting a window like this, and you have to click on this button of Create Landing Page, and after clicking, a window like this is going to open up. And over here on the window, you can see thousands of landing page templates already pre-made and ready for you. All you need to do is choose the perfect landing page that suits your business model and just click on the landing page, and after clicking on, a complete editable template like this is going to open up. All sections of this editable template are very easily editable just with a single click. You may change the font, you may change the font size, the font style, or even the images and the icons. Whichever portion you want to change, starting from color to fonts to images, you can easily edit just within a few clicks over here on this templates. And all you need to do after this is publish this page. But before publishing, just do one step. Check how your website or this landing page is looking like on the mobile phone and on the desktop. And once you are sure about the design, about the text, or whatever you have added over this on this landing page, you are ready to publish this landing page absolutely for free. All you need to do right now is click on the next step, and window like this is going to appear. All you need to do is enter the title and description, and after that you have to scroll down below and just hit the publish button. So after hitting the publish button, a page or window like this is going to open up. You can already see the link to the landing page is over here. You can run ads on this landing page if you feel like, or share it on your social media, driving more and more traffic to this landing page, which are going to convert into leads or maybe into sales of your products or your services. Other than that, if you're having any questions regarding this entire process, feel free to drop me a comment in the comment section below. I'll try to answer all of you. Other than that, if you want to know more regarding the growth strategy of your business, of how you are going to grow your business to the next level, you might watch this video. I'll put the link somewhere over here. You can just click and watch it. I'm just signing off for today. I'll see you all next week with more exciting content. Till then, stay tuned. Do drop a like and subscribe to my channels to stay updated.